现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. 看起来 that means it looks like something looks something. Okay， 看起来怎么说呢？
看起来。
看起来 Okay, that means it looks so lively over there. 比如说，我们去一个地方，哇，那边看起来好热闹哦。
好热闹哦。
Yeah， 到底发生什么事情了哈？到底有什么活动呢？
这种人就是这样凑热闹。
对。好啦，可能最近有一些节庆嘛，对不对？顺便介绍一些节庆出来，好了，就会热闹吗？ Okay, let's put you in a scenario where there's a festival going on. For instance, 好像在公馆有这个福菜节，对不对？
有啊，
应该会很热闹。好，我们说那边看起来好热闹哦。It looks so lively over there.
这片看起来，
这片看起来
很闹热哦，
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 很闹热哦，闹热就是热
闹，
闹热
颠倒
，hustle and bustle， 哎，对耶，哈。热闹是闹热了，
对。
Okay, that means it's so lively, the hustle and bustle of that area. Okay, 那今天呢是公馆福菜节啦。It's actually the Pickled Mustard Festival in 公馆 right now.
今本日係
今本日係
公館
公館
福菜節啦，
福菜節啦，福菜就是福菜啊，我們常常教 that's the pickled mustard, which is very delicious. It's a Hakka dish. You gotta try it out, and it's happening in 公館啊，公館。Okay, 那我们也应该去看看啦 right? Let's go and have some fun. Let's go check it out, basically. 我们也去看看。
em妹來去，
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 看看啊，
看看啊，看看就是 let's check it out.
看看
Check it out. 看看啊。All right, let's review some of these phrases such as 熱鬧. It's very lively.
鬧熱，
鬧熱就是倒過來熱鬧，鬧熱。And then the pickled mustard, 福菜。
福菜，
福菜 and don't forget 福菜節就是福菜節。福菜節，
福菜節，
福菜節 is happening right now, so if you have time, go to 公館 and check that out. And then finally, to check it out, 看看。
看什麼看看？你在外面看看，當然是看看啦。
對不起，我有點像嘻哈要饒舌的感覺。看看怎麼說？
看看啊，
看看啊 and it's all about the phrase 看起來 something looks so ... 看起來，
看起來，
看起來 and there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.